Tired of leads falling through the cracks and your sales team scrambling for prospects? Let's transform your lead distribution from a messy free-for-all to a streamlined, automated process using Aisensy. First, you'll need to integrate Aisensy with your CRM or sales platform. Navigate to the Integrations or Settings section within your Aisensy dashboard. Look for options to connect with popular CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Pipedrive, or use webhooks for custom integrations. Next, segment your leads based on criteria relevant to your business. This could be by industry, location, product interest, or lead source. Proper segmentation ensures that the right leads reach the right sales reps, maximizing their chances of conversion. Most CRMs allow custom fields, so make sure they are correctly labeled. Now, automate the lead assignment process using Aisensy's automation tools. Create workflows that automatically assign new leads to sales reps based on the segmentation criteria you defined earlier. Ensure leads get assigned instantly with no manual work from you, your team, or IT. To track performance, utilize Aisensy's reporting features. Monitor key metrics such as lead response time, conversion rates, and deal closure rates. This data provides valuable insights into sales team performance and identifies areas for improvement. Set up automated reminders and follow-up tasks within Aisensy or your connected CRM. This ensures that leads are contacted promptly and consistently, preventing them from going cold. A gentle nudge or automated email can make all the difference. By implementing these steps, you can optimize your lead distribution process, improve sales team efficiency, and ultimately, enhance customer relationships, boosting your bottom line. Remember to continuously monitor and adjust your workflows based on performance data for optimal results.